Hey, it's Dr. Evans here from Sugarland Medical Spa, and this is for all my couples that are out there. I want to let you know, again, it's Dr. Evans. I specialize in male and female rejuvenation, and I am here for you. So I get asked sometimes, what's the difference between here versus with my average primary care doctor? So you got to realize one thing is we all still need a primary care doctor. Those are the ones that can help manage chronic conditions such as diabetes, high blood pressure, other chronic conditions on a regular basis. So we need them and they're highly important. But where I step in is that I can take you a little bit further than that. For example, they may not have time for managing your hormones. Guess what? We do that. Or if you need solutions for things like wrinkles or, and anti-aging things like that, or even more importantly, sexual dysfunction that's causing a disruption within the relationship, these are things and areas where I can step in to actually take part in and actually help improve on that life. So literally our life journey is an overall wellness thing. It encompasses so many different layers, everything from your overall health to your overall well-being, to your mental health, to just everything else like that that comes along with it. So having solutions that go above and beyond the average practitioner's office, that's what we're about. So again, we offer solutions where the average doctors may stop, but we can actually take it a little bit further. So again, feel free to tune in here for more information. Feel free to leave your likes, your comments, your questions below, and I'll be sure to answer as many as I can. And again, I'm here to help you look and feel your absolute best.